That's the beard growth update. What's up, you guys? So, beard growth, pretty nice, right? At least I think it is. I know it's been a while since our last upload. I want to apologize for that. We really got caught up with the business part of stuff that goes on to, funding some of the project stuff. So, business comes first before we can, spend all of our time and money and effort on just the projects. They kind of have to help pay for themselves too, I mean, ours do at least. We're not rich, obviously. So just want to apologize, like I was saying, for not uploading anything recently, but it's a new video right now. So, where was I going with this? Anyways, new video. That's great, right? Let me give you guys a quick update with everything that's been going on with some of the projects. We did have a little bit of time to work on some of it. So here's some quick clips of what we have done and kind of what's going on. Guess I have to get all the stuff. Oh. Shit. What are you doing, Sweet Pea? What else do we need? Open the bucket. Well, I had the bright idea to cut this extra metal, down to where the frame's at. Yeah, the fuel cell's gone, and yes, there's tons of glass. You'll never believe what I did.
Hey, well, I guess that means we can put Lexan in the rear end.
Yeah, no more glass window. Done shattered the shit out of it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Listen. Beautiful, right? I just lost about 20 fucking pounds. More in the rear. Anyways, so what happened was I had the Sawzall that you can see here. I was slowly chipping away at it. And it kicked back, and the handle of it smacked the window, and it shattered instantly. I have glass all over me. It's making little nick marks on me. Anyways, so Mustang update. No more rear window.
You guys, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Send help. I fucked up. It keeps cracking. We can glue it. We can glue it. I need help.
Now I know what you're thinking. Don't give me shit on that, okay? It was an accident. But check this out. So, what happened is I was a little impatient with cutting that trunk, where that spare tire sits, that trunk piece, you know? I was really impatient with cutting it with that Sawzall, and I thought I could angle my arm a certain way, and as I was cutting it, it kicked back, moved my arm, and it smacked the window. So that's kind of how it broke. There's nothing I could do about it now. You know, you could be mad at some of the stuff that happens with some of the builds, but you know, everything happens for a reason, and I can't really go back on it because, I mean, it's missing a freaking window. So I have to do something with replacing the window. I'm not going to go glass, and I'm not going to go Lexan. I have a different idea of what I want to do, but I don't want to keep bouncing back and forth with all these projects, so that's going to have to wait. But a lot of buts, but it will get fixed. But what do you guys think about that rear firewall? It's done. I finally switched from the ABS firewall to the, not stainless, but the steel. I got the steel firewall in, everything's welded in, everything got painted black, and I ended up rhino lining everything from the whole inside of the trunk and that whole, just the whole piece. It's all rhino lined. So firewall's done on the Mustang. Finally, it's been freaking forever. So that's good. Even though the window broke, at least I got something done and was productive with it. That being said, I want to show you guys something I did to the Project Daily and how I did the bumper brace and the fitment of that new bumper I got. Now, some of you might be thinking, like, damn, Maya, it's been 3 weeks, you know? You should have got a little bit more than just that one side done on the 190T. You're right. Except we ordered a widened fender body kit. I think it's called a Evo 2 kit for the 190Es. 190T. And the one we got was complete shit, to be honest. I'm not going to be shooting any names or companies out there. I'm not here to bash on anybody. The moldings this time might have been bad. They might be great, but unfortunately the ones that we got were not. So we have to, well, we sent that back, and now we're sourcing a new kit that is hopefully good for what we need it to be. And I kind of need that kit to size up where I'm going to do the body work. I don't want to do all this unnecessary body work on these projects and have to cut it all away anyways, you know? So I'd rather have the body kit, size it up, mark where I have to do body work, cut obviously the body up, and then do it, you know? I don't want to be counterproductive and do all this extra stuff that I don't have to do when I can spend my time more usefully somewhere else. So that's what I'm doing, like make tea. It's so freaking good. By the way, obviously, I'm a teaaholic, so I'm kind of curious what kind of tea you guys like, because I like to try different types of teas. Some of my favorites are chai tea and just green tea. It has to be hot, but yeah, green tea, chai tea. Let me know what you guys like to drink, whether it's tea or tequila. Let me know. So, yeah, I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but that's all right because I need to give you guys some content, and yeah, so I just brain farted a little bit. 190 T's on hold. I think what we're doing for the back window is a piece of Lexan. I think we're gonna do like 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter for the back window. I'll make some kind, or weld up some kind of framework and bracing, and then we'll just do a piece of Lexan, so it'll be a flat window. We'll make it look good. I'll get some kind of trim stuff around it so that way it looks like it's meant to be there. That's the back window. Still waiting on some parts for the engine stuff, but that's going to be later on. 190T is done for now. It's on hold. Now, Project Daily is going to be getting that. Frickin' just heard something that was weird. Project Daily is going to be getting the interior from that white parts car. Wanted to do something pretty amazing with that car, but we have too many projects going on as is. So Project Daily is getting the parts car interior because it's freaking immaculate. And I'm swapping that over to Project Daily so that way we can finish up Project Daily. And really need to fix that transmission leak because unfortunately she sprung a leak again. So I have to pull the transmission again. Sucks, but it happens. And I have a little something special coming with that. I don't know if I want to tell you guys right now, but let's just say it's going to be freaking awesome. Okay? So Project Daily, that's the update for that. Beard update. That growth is freaking amazing. December is the 1 year. December 7th was the last time I shaved my face. So December 7th is the official year. I have to wait till freaking December. This Arizona heat. I'm going to be sweating my ass off. And yeah, so actually I already am sweating. I don't know if you can see. Sweating my ass off anyways. Yeah, so year, December 7th. That's the official day. 190T is on a hold. Project Daily is going to get the interior from that white 300E that we have, and then I'll probably just sell the frame to that. And Drift Stang shattered the rear window, but we got the firewall in. And yeah, enough of my rambling. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I hope everyone else's projects are going amazing. And yeah, post up some of your guys' updates. Let me know how your guys' stuff's going. Have a great day, guys. Later.